In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Discord cache files. If Discord has started to feel sluggish, isn't loading images properly, or is taking up more storage than you expect, clearing the cache can help refresh the app without touching your messages, servers, or account. This walkthrough is designed for Android phones and tablets, since that's where the clear cache option is available in system settings. A quick note before we start, a cache is just temporary data that apps save to load things faster, like images, thumbnails, and snippets of content. Over time, that data can get bloated or slightly corrupted, which is why clearing it can resolve odd glitches and free up space, all without deleting your personal data. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Every device has it, and it's where you manage system controls. Once you're in Settings, look for the section that manages your applications. Depending on your phone, it might be called Apps, Applications, App Management, or something similar. If you see All Apps, tap that to view the full list. Scroll through the list and select Discord. If you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to type Discord and jump right to it. This opens the app info screen where you can see options like notifications, permissions, and storage. Now go to storage or storage and cache. The label can vary slightly by device, but you're looking for the page that shows how much space Discord is using. Here you'll see two buttons: clear cache and clear storage, or clear data. It's important to choose clear cache. That removes only temporary files. Avoid clear storage or clear data unless you're prepared to log in again and reset the app's local settings. Tap clear cache. The cache size should drop to 0 or a very small number right away. There's usually no confirmation pop-up, and it won't affect your messages, servers, or friends list. This action simply clears temporary files. If you don't see the clear cache button, make sure you're inside the storage section of Discord's app info. Some phones took it one level deeper. Also, if the button is grayed out, it likely means there isn't any cache to clear at the moment. When you open Discord afterward, the first load may be slightly slower as the app rebuilds fresh cache. That's normal. If performance issues continue, clearing the cache again later can help, especially after major updates. That's it. Open Settings, tap Apps, choose Discord, and tap Clear Cache. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your Discord run smoother.